A very lovely hello to all class 10th champions, class 10th board warriors. My dear class 10th students, if you are also skipping word problem questions because they look little lengthy, let me tell you honestly, you guys are literally skipping at least 60 to 70 marks of your board exam 2027. Because as per the new pattern introduced by CBSE, as per the new rules and regulation that has been imposed by CBSE, the word problem questions will be playing big role in your board exam, because a lot of competency questions will be there in your exam, value based question, case study based questions, and all the categories are related to word problem questions. So what was earlier in board exam, earlier in CBSE, the questions were directly based on formula. If you know the formula, direct putting the values, you can get the result. But now, as per the new CBSE pattern, most of the questions will be competency based, and there is little chances in all the chapters. There may be 1 to 2 questions on word problem based, whether the question will be competency, case study or value based question, but the question will be only word problem. So don't skip your word problem question, my dear. What happens with a lot of students, with most of the students from you guys used to solve the question which looks comfortable to you, which looks familiar, which looks a bit easy for you. Come on, now you have to put your effort beyond the boundary. Now you have to face the challenges, because this is the demand of this year board exam 2027. So my dear, don't skip the word problem. Why I'm asking these things to you? Why I'm suggesting you, advising you these things? Because word problem questions are important. Why? Because it gives you comprehension and translation quality. Your translation ability, your comprehension quality will be improved. And word problem means logical analysis. Your logical thinking will be improving by doing the word problem questions. Logical analysis. Conceptual depth, it required conceptual depth, and of course the questions will be real world readiness. The questions will be from your day-to-day life. The questions will be application based from your general life, from your day-to-day life, the real life structure. So a lot of questions will be there in your exam. So no one knows which type of questions will be appearing in your board exam. No one knows, because the entire question paper will be different. It doesn't mean, I don't mean you should not solve the NCERT questions. My dear, NCERTs are king. So make sure to understand the theory, understand the concepts, understand the maths inside the depth. My dear, NCERT is the best. So try to solve each and every question, including example, all exercise question, miscellaneous exercise, everything of NCERT. So please give value, prioritize the NCERT first, then you can switch to any other book to make your competency, to get the powerful clarity on competency based questions, value based, and of course case study based questions. So word problem questions will give you these things. Okay, a stepwise strategy, how to apply strategy, how you can make modification in your strategy to solve the word problem question, and that is also helpful for your day-to-day life, because you might stuck in different kind of situation, challenges in your personal life, in your day-to-day life, right? So how to overcome the situation, how to come out of the situation, that difficulty. So mainly, see, CBSE is now, what CBSE is looking for, the student who is not, who is not very hard worker, the student who is smarter, the student who don't believe in rote learning, just mugging up the formula and all, the student who really has problem solving skills. CBSE demands such students. CBSE is looking forward to get such student, cream student, whose critical thinking, problem solving skill, whose real life structure problem solving are good, right? So now problem solving skills. So these are the basics that you required and that you will be getting after solving the word problem questions. So my dear, don't skip the word problem questions at all in your maths especially. Okay, why I'm telling you, let's have an example. So this question is from Priya is preparing for the bicycle marathon. So this is from arithmetic progression. There is a chapter in your mathematics book. Look at the question. So Priya is a girl who is preparing for bicycle marathon, bicycle race. Her racing bicycle has a device to calculate the number of kilometers she cycled. She decides to increase the distance she cycles every day by a fixed number of kilometers. On the first day, Priya cycled 8 kilometers. In 10 days, she cycled a total of 170 kilometers. How many kilometers did she cycle on the third day? So this question is entirely word problem, champions. So Priya is a girl. Now, how you can solve this question comfortably? Now, relate the situation from your real life. Priya is a student. Priya is a girl. She is living in a society. She is living in a locality. She has cycle and she is preparing for bicycle marathon using her cycle, and this is all about. So what you need to do, read the question and translate the question in your own language. Translate it, try to understand the concept. Now decide formula, which formula will be helpful. Now solve the question. So a single word problem question will give you lot of different kind of things. Your problem solving skill will be improving there, your critical thinking, how to tackle, how to visualize, how to link the theoretical question from your day-to-day life, from your real life. I mean, after looking at the question, this question should come in your mind. Oh, I have seen this before in my life. I have seen this before somewhere. So try to link the question from your day-to-day life, and this is the power of word problem. So champions, class 10th warriors, if you all are dreaming to get at least 90%, 90 marks in your maths, so my dear, don't skip word problem at all. Please try to face the challenge, fight with the word problem question. Now, if you may stuck, I mean, you may not be able to get the correct answer. You may not be able to get the correct value over there. You may stuck somewhere. So teachers are there for you. Ask to your teachers. Raise your doubts. Show your difficulty, your challenges that you are facing while doing the word problem question. But at least you should try, champions. This is all about. This is not my own words. This is not my own created script, champions. This is all about the demand of board exam 2027. So never skip word problem questions, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. If you want any strategic video, any extra thing, anything that you are facing difficulty, challenges while preparing for your board exam, this is all about of your board exam. So my dear, don't keep any doubt, any problem within you. Share with your teachers. Teachers are here for you to resolve the query. So if you want any strategy on any particular chapter in mathematics, do comment, leave your query in the comment section. I'll surely look out all the comments and I'll be giving you the complete solution for that query. Thank you so much for watching. Stay connected with Diksha Vedantu CBSE YouTube channel.